Appreciate you logging on to the Blogcast on this Thursday, March 13th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Jeff Beamish, and the big story today in the Blogcast, the gusty and dusty conditions we woke up to this morning. I'll be honest, it's been a while since we've woke up to this much suspended dust in our skies right before sunrise. This was the view from our News 4 Tucson Skynet cam on top of the Aloft Hotel at Speedway and Campbell, and some of this dust likely came from a big dust storm that happened Tuesday in the Texas Panhandle right around Amarillo. We had easterly winds yesterday, and all that suspended dust ended up moving in toward Cochise, Graham, and Greenlee counties. Now it's over us here in the Tucson metro, and hopefully this will be clearing out anytime soon, or sometime soon, I should say. My eyes feel like sandpaper this morning. I'm sure you're feeling the exact same thing. Wind speeds at the 10 o'clock hour, basically in the 5 to 10 mile per hour range sustained, still up to 18 at the airport, 5 Rita Ranch, rest of southern Arizona in that 5 to 10 mile per hour range. And as we promised yesterday, the winds would be up a little bit more here in the Tucson metro because they're coming out of the east-southeast. Those are downsloping winds into the Tucson Valley. And when you get those downsloping winds, Tucson gets the bulk of the Sonoran wind machine. Those winds shifting today from the east-southeast to the west-southwest, 15 to 20 miles per hour. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon, and we could run into a few issues on I-10 north of Marana, around Picacho Peak and Casa Grande with localized blowing dust. That tends to happen with west-southwest winds, as the dust can really move unmitigated from the Arizona-Mexico border right up to central Pinal County. And yesterday we had that dust over Cochise, Graham, and Greenlee counties, as mentioned. And with those easterly winds, we really don't get that dust threat on that I-10 corridor between Marana and Phoenix. You got to have the west-southwest component. Winds will lighten up after sunset tonight, 7 o'clock this evening, 5 to 15 miles per hour. 11 o'clock tonight, 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the southeast. Reason we're seeing the winds out there this morning and this afternoon, watching an area of low pressure sitting over southeastern California. We're getting the winds from this, but northern Arizona could see a few isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. This is 5 o'clock this evening. That includes the White Mountains of Graham and Greenlee County, and the same thing could happen tomorrow. Maybe Mount Graham seeing a stray shower. I think the bulk of southern Arizona, including the higher elevations, will stay dry as we're wrapping up the work week here. TrueView 4 extended forecast. We go from 81 this afternoon to the mid-70s tomorrow and Saturday. Confidence increasing. The Sonoran wind machine will crank back up on Sunday, especially during the early part of the afternoon, so make sure to hang on to your hat if you're heading to the Tucson Festival of Books. We say so long to the wind and hello to the upper 70s and low 80s early next week. 79 for St. Patty's Day, low 80s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Thanks for logging on. I'll see you later on today for News 4 Tucson at noon.